Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. So today's tutorial will be on trim and proper function. As you can see, these names showing on my screen, they are not properly arranged. So Excel has made it easy for arranging names like this because you might have data set that are up to 1,000, 1,000,000 or more than. So with this formula I'll be using now, you can change names that are not properly arranged easily and without stress. So we'll go in with our equals to, then you go in with trim, double tap on trim, double tap on it, then proper, double tap on proper. Then you make reference to the cell you want to, like you will be making use of cell A1. We'll double tap on it, then we'll go in with equals to, sorry, bracket. We'll close the bracket two times because we open two brackets, then enter. You see, it's that simple, trust me. Then instead of doing it one after the other, because you might be working with a larger data set, so you just go here and double tap. Voila, it's done. So this is the best way to arrange names that are scattered like this. So thank you for watching and bye for now.